Näytetäänkö kylkimakkulta istumaan nousualusta? I will show you something, a few different ways to help patient. Turn to the right side, please. Ja tuu vähän lähemmäksi tänne mua. So, the knees must be as flexed as possible, and we asked the patient to bend her head to the down from the front. Otas mä nostan tuon vähän sen tuosta. No niin. No. And he can only a little bit push by his hands on the from the bed. So the hand must be about 90 degrees, and I will help you to feel the bed by pushing from this elbow to the wrist like this way a little bit. You can push over there.
Yeah.
Very tender. And her pelvis and shoulder must be in the same line, and a little bit from the middle line, the front side. Suoliluun harju englanniksi. Ootapas nyt, mikä se oli latina? These bones here. I put my hand to the patient's bone. And I transfer his weight to this way, down. And I'm helping him to sit down. I'm counting 3, and you can only a little bit, only a very little bit, push your hand.
Yeah.
Eli älä työnnä paljon. 1, 2, 3. Älä työnnä niin paljon. We'll do it again. Don't push so much. Don't push so much, because the patient ei tarvitse. The patient don't have to push very much, because this is very easily way to help to go sit down. 1, 2, 3. Yes. How it feels?
Simple.
Mm-hmm.
Easy.
Yes, it's very simple and easy.
It is.